Hello, I'm Jeff Bannister. I'm the President of American Landmaster. Welcome to our facility, located here in Columbia City, Indiana. We have an important manufacturing process that helps our business flow, and that's our order to delivery process. When we receive that order, we build that uniquely for that customer from scratch. And our people, our processes, and the organization support that culture of bringing that product to the marketplace. So I've been in manufacturing 35 years. Made in the USA means something to us. Our product is built here in the U.S., assembled, painted, welded, and it's very important that we retain those jobs here in the U.S. market. I want to thank all the Landmaster employees, their families. It's a tremendous company, hard work, dedication. People are here to make life better and to help our company succeed.